Okay, so what I got here is E32 code, open pressure switch, first stage. So when I came out, it was coded out. Temperature in the house was 67, set to 72. So it was running quite a bit. It just wasn't making it up to temperature. And when I come down and I pull the door off of the unit, I was coded out, but the furnace was trying to start and couldn't start because the inducer was full of water. Full of water. Sounded like somebody splashing around in a bathtub. So you guys said you swapped the inducer to vent out the left side. So I looked into the installation manual and wanted to make sure all your tubings are in the right places and all that. And here's what I found. When putting the hoses back on, there's an important note there. Cut to length to ensure there is no sag or trap created. So this one here is a drain hose, okay? Catching the condensate water coming back, going down to the trap. This one here is a drain hose, also catching any water that made it past there or out of the secondary, going into the trap. This is a pressure switch. This is just making sure that that there's secondary, your trap and all that, you got air moving through there and you're pulling a draft through it. Pressure switch tubing over here, I found going down. That's no good. Always want, before entering a pressure switch, the tubing should go up before it goes down to ensure no water comes down there and creates a water blockage in there or sucks water into the pressure switch. So that needs to go up. We'll address another part about that in a second. The other issue, the other issue is that if you actually come up and take a look down, my door's gonna attach right here. When the door pushes in, it's pushing in on the drain that catches the condensate from the combustion. And now if we look at that with the door pushed in, we've created a trap where the water cannot flow down to the condensate. So it's filling up the inducer, cycling the pressure switch, and then finally draining back out this tube that wasn't pushed in. And once the water drains, the furnace would refire and repeat the process over and over and over again. Okay. So cut the hoses to length. Make sure there's no droopage when you're pushing the door back on. That's it.